Today I'm going to show you how to block applications using the administrator settings in Windows. Steps. Step 1. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. Step 2. In the Run dialog box, type gpedit.msc. Then press Enter. Step 3. The Local Group Policy Editor window will open. You will see two types of configuration: Computer Configuration, User Configuration. Click on User Configuration. Step 4. Navigate to the policy called Run Only Specified Windows Applications. Double-click on it. Step 5. Select the Enabled option. Click on the Show button. Step 6. You will see a list where you can enter the names of the applications that users are allowed to open. Enter the application names with their extensions, for example, .exe. You must allow important system applications such as Explorer.exe, CMD.exe, gpedit.msc. mmc.exe, taskmanager.exe. Then add any other applications you want to allow, such as Notepad.exe, calc.exe. After adding the applications, click OK. Result: now the computer user will only be able to open the applications you have allowed. All other applications will be blocked. To disable this setting, press Windows key plus R. Type gpedit.msc. Go back to Run Only Specified Windows Applications. Select Disabled.